Okay, it's time to uncover my fruit trees, my orange tree, lemon tree, and my pineapples that I covered up during this cold winter weather we had. Cause this week we getting some hot weather. We getting in the 80s. So it's time to uncover them and let them enjoy this warm weather and the sun beaming down on them. Spring look like it's soon gonna be coming. I hope they made out all right during the winter weather. Uncover my lemon tree. Oh well, look like my pineapples didn't survive the cold winter weather we had here. Only see a few that still have some of the green stems on them. The thing I do have some inside that I can bring out this spring. Let them enjoy the spring and the summer. And my orange tree, no leaves survived on it either. Let's see if you're gonna bounce back. At least my lemon tree did have some green leaves that did survive from the cold winter weather. And look here, see something sprouting up there. Okay. Oh, okay, lemon. Okay, lemon tree. Look at you. Okay, I see some blooms on you. Looking good. I think I need to maybe cover you up with a net so the birds won't come over here and eat up the blooms that are trying to come on this lemon tree. That's what they did to me last time after I uncovered them. Had a lot of blooms on them. They came in here and ate them up. Okay, lemon tree. Enjoy this warm weather that's coming ahead this week. Okay, I placed some netting over my lemon tree in hopes of the birds not coming and trying to eat up the blooms that I see coming out on the lemon tree. Okay, lemon tree. Come on. Grow us a lot of lemons this spring and summer.